tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel.
Hey you guys, it's Whitney and welcome back to another video. Today, my husband and I are going to be Konmari method clean and decluttering our garage today. If you guys have been a long-time follower of mine, you would know that our garage is such a problem area in our home because it's really the only space that we have to storage things. And so this area tends to be a space for a lot of clutter. So in this video, my husband and I are going to tackle this mess together, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along with us. So we are actually going to start out this video today by deflating our kids' little pool that they have. Now, we really didn't use this a whole lot this summer and it was still in really good condition, so we did decide to keep it for next year. And we originally started by using our hands to deflate this, but it was just taking way too long. So I went ahead and grabbed the little thing that you use to blow up the air mattress, and it has a deflating option. So that is what we use to deflate the pool and all of the parts that go with it, and it worked out perfectly.
Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, it's when you touch my hand.
So now Tim is going to go through this bin that we have, and this houses all of our painting supplies. So paintbrushes, rollers, painting tarps, all of that stuff belongs in this tub, and there's just some random stuff in here. So he is going to go through that and declutter anything that is no longer needed, and then you will see me put everything back into the tub. Now, we use our painting stuff quite a bit because I have been really into doing a lot of DIYs lately, and so I'm constantly pulling things out of this tub and putting things back in, and it just becomes a wreck very quickly. We are getting a storage shed in a couple of days, and so I'm really excited to finally have that space. And then we do plan on getting an actual tool drawer system in our garage, so that way we have a space for every single item in here. But until then, we're just gonna have to use the plastic tubs.
Sounds so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
So now Tim is gonna go through his tools, and he has a lot going on over here. Everything is just kind of dumped into bags. Again, once we get that tool organizer for all of his stuff, everything will be a lot more organized and have their own place. But for the time being, we went ahead and bought these Craftsman tool organizers, and they're quite big, and they were only $24 at Lowe's, so we grabbed 2 of those. And this is going to house all of our nails and screws and bolts and all of that stuff, and that way they're all in their own individual compartment and easy to just grab and go while we're in here getting stuff that we need.
I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you.
So once Tim has kind of gone through all of his tools, he is going to go through this little box that we have, and this houses all of our manuals and things for all of the appliances in our home. When we moved in, they just left a big pile on the countertop, and we just threw everything into a box and have not looked at this since then. So he is going to quickly go through that and keep anything that he thinks is important and just kind of toss anything that we no longer need.
Is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
So now that we've kind of gone through a majority of the items that we really needed to go through, we are just going to move everything from this wall that you guys see right here, because we are going to be putting up some shelving units that we got from a neighbor. He was so kind to pick them up for us, and they were completely free. The guy just didn't want them anymore. So we were really excited to have this extra shelving for the stuff in our garage. And I just wanted to say one thing: if you are looking for organization items or shelving units, whatever it may be, always look on Facebook Marketplace first, because people are always getting rid of stuff that they no longer need, and they might be in really great condition, and so that way you don't have to spend your own money.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push.
So again, we're just gonna start by putting stuff onto these shelves and getting everything in their own place. We kind of reserved that first one for all of the paints. We put them all there at the bottom, and then pretty much every other shelf I am going to be using for all of my cleaning supplies. If you guys didn't know, I actually clean houses in real life, and I just have an abundance of cleaning products because they are just something that make me happy. And I really needed an area that I could organize everything and put all of my stuff into, so I was really excited to have these extra shelving, so that way all of my stuff had its own place.
I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me? Why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
So now Tim is going to quickly hang up the ladders using some nails, and we did end up taking the bottom one off because it was just too heavy and we were afraid that it would fall on the kids. So now Tim is going to really quickly set up his saw. He has that little table that goes with it, and it has just been sitting in our garage. So he is going to set that up so that way we can put stuff under it, and that way it will create more space that we can use in our garage. So now I'm going to quickly go through all of the tubs over here and label everything and make sure everything is in their right place, and kind of figure out a system of what I wanted to do over here and just make everything look nice and organized.
To the beat
Now I'm going to quickly vacuum the rug, and if you guys have been following me, this rug might look familiar. This used to be our old living room rug, and now it is all stained and gross, so we threw it out into the garage, and we have been loving having it over here. I know it seems odd to have a rug in your garage, but we really enjoy it.
Where's the fun in doing what you're told? I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh.
So now I'm just going to kind of let the video run and the music play, because we are just going to pick up the rest of the stuff in the garage, and we're going to be all over the place, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy some music while we do that.
Body like freaking out to the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like body like freaking out to the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
So now Tim and I are going to put up some stuff into our little crawl space, attic, whatever you want to call it, into our garage. We don't have any plywood or anything up there. Tim went ahead and put some 2x4s up there a couple of months ago so that we could set tubs and stuff on it. But we do plan on putting some plywood up there so that way we can lay some more stuff down. Now, if you guys are wondering why we have everything shoved into our garage and attic, it is because we have a house with no basement. So we really try to utilize the storage that we have in our garage, because it's really the only place that we have to store things.
Maybe you taste different. Hold up, babe.
And then the last things that I'm going to do in this video for you guys is vacuum and mop the garage. I was so excited to mop this garage. I know that sounds weird, but there was like a film of spray paint and sawdust and all kinds of stuff going on in here. And it was just nice to have a fresh, clean floor in our garage.
Your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble lack and everlasting ego.
And now for that before and after transformation, you guys. I cannot believe how amazing this garage looks, and I am so impressed with what Tim and I accomplished today. I know it's not Pinterest worthy, I know it's not Pinterest worthy, but it does the job and it functions for us, and I'm just really excited. Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this KonMari clean and declutter with me and my husband. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation today to jumpstart your day. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.
Humble like an everlasting